The Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Textiles, Pabitra Margherita, has applauded the BJP government for driving significant developmental progress in the Northeast with a special focus on Meghalaya since taking office in 2014. Addressing the media on the Union Budget 2025-26, Margherita emphasized the positive changes brought about by BJP rule, particularly in infrastructure, tourism and various other sectors. He also noted that the budget would greatly benefit Meghalaya, given the presence of ministries dedicated to tribal affairs. Additionally, he praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's efforts in promoting sports as a means to empower the youth of the state.
There are four key engines of our journey to make Meghalaya a Bikshit Meghalaya, to make our India Bikshit Bharat. The four key engines are agriculture for rural prosperity, MSMEs for entrepreneurship and job creation. MSMEs are a driving force of our economy, our livelihood. In investment for infrastructure and innovation, and exports for global competitiveness and economic growth. And this budget focuses on 6 key domains, namely taxation, power sector, urban development, financial sector, regulatory reforms, and mining. Empowering middle class for better tomorrow. Middle class is the class which is one of the main pillars of our country. So to empower the middle class, we have, all of us know that limit of tax deduction on interest for senior citizen has been doubled from the present 50,000 to 1 lakh. Annual limit of rupees 2.4 lakh for TDS on rent has been increased to 6 lakhs. And nil tax slab to income of rupees 12 lakh from existing 7 lakhs, which is being appreciated by each and every citizen of our country. So holistic welfare of Annadatas, Annadata, that is our Kishan, the farmers. Over the past decades, farmers have been at the center of Modi government's Bharatiya development agenda. Further bolstering the Annadata Shakti, the Union budget has announced a new scheme, Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, which will cover 100 low productivity and interest penetration agri-districts. The loan limit for loans taken under Kisan credit cards will be increased from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. All of us know that many of our farmers in Meghalaya also holds a Kisan credit card. Empower Yuva. India is a Yuva Shakti. India is a Yuva country. Empowering the Yuva through world-class education. Education is one of the prime focus. Union budget has announced plans to establish 50,000 auto tinkering labs in government schools over the next 5 years in order to cultivate scientific temper among the students. And out of this 50,000 auto tinkering lab, our own state Meghalaya will also have the proportionate numbers of auto tinkering lab. So in every sector, every sphere where the budget is allocated, we, the Meghalaya, is going to get that benefits. 75,000 additional seats will be added to medical colleges.